In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators to chart on XTrend Speed. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open any chart inside the XTrend Speed, and then at the very bottom, just above the sell button, you can see in my case, it says MA and MACD. So if I tap on MA here, I can go ahead and set the main chart indicators. I can basically select between MA, EMA, BOLL, and SAR. So these are different indicators. You can Google what they mean if you're not sure, or just basically tap on them and they're gonna get changed into that specific indicator. Okay, so as you can see, it's now changing, and there we go. Again, you can select whichever one you want, and then you have the MACD. So if you tap on that, you can now add your subchart indicators. So these are the indicators that are usually below the chart, as you can see, and then here you could go ahead and select from these over here on the list. So for example, if I want to add an RSI, I have it now at the bottom over there. If I want to do a CCI, I now have a CCI, etc. So you could do whichever one you want. And then if you want more management, at the far bottom right, just above the buy button, you can see a small setting icon. If you tap on that cogwheel and you want to scroll down, at the very bottom, it says indicator management. Now, when you tap on indicator management in here, you could go ahead and of course manage these indicators. So these are kind of going to be your default ones over here. You could go and remove them with that minus button next to them. You could set settings if you tap on settings, and you can basically change colors, introduction. You can basically see whatever you want here, and then of course you could also move them up or down if you wanna by tapping on those three lines towards the right. Now, if you want to add any other indicators, you can tap on add indicators at the bottom, and in here you have a bunch of different ones as well. So if you want to add these, just basically add them to your indicators by tapping on them, and then as you can see, you have like a bunch of different ones over here. So up top, you can go between categories, you can add them if you wanna, and this will add your indicators to the list we've seen earlier. There we go. And if you now go back to your chart, at the bottom of your chart, you can now see there's going to be a lot more options which we have added inside our options. Okay, there's now a lot, as you can see. So that's essentially how to add indicators. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.